If you're ready to level up your Instagram game, these brand new 2025 features are absolute game changers. Let's dive in and explore what's new. First up, the repost button. Now you can reshare reels or posts directly without needing a third-party app. Just tap on the repost button under a post and it'll appear in your new repost tab on your profile. Next, say hello to the map feature. It lets you share your last active location with close friends or explore trending spots. Just go to your profile, then tap on map and choose whether to share or browse. But keep in mind that it's gradually rolling out, so if you don't see it yet in your region, it should be coming soon. After that, the Friends tab for Reels. Now you can see what your friends are liking, commenting on, or posting. Just head to the Reels section and tap on Friends at the top to stay in the loop. And for creators, Instagram now gives you detailed Reels insights. You can see where viewers drop off with retention and how many skips in the first 3 seconds with skip rate. Just open your Reel, tap on the three dots, and then go into View Insights. Then adjust your content strategy. And that's all. If you haven't explored these Instagram updates yet, try them out and change the way you connect, create, and express online.